Should be drinking no lean, I'm already half dead. Give a fuck, I'm a gangsta, I'm thug, thug. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
That.
Come on.
Y'all check the name from NQ.
Yeah. Come on. Where they kicking my blunt with no bride yet? If I face me another, I die here. I'm just praying I make it till Friday. Either way, I'ma die with my pride. Fell in love with the color and parked out front.
Yo, what's good, guys? NQ Demon here, and we're back with another video. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna start daily uploading again, bro. Like new year, new me type shit. But no jokes. Like I'm generally gonna start posting again, like almost every single day. Like I'm gonna start posting every single day. But I don't know if you guys could tell, but this video is like around 1 week later from the last video that I posted, even though it was supposed to be the next day. But since I took like 2 losses last week, and it was pretty early on in the week, and also the year is ending, it's the last couple of trading days of the year, I was like, you know what, I'm not going to trade this week, and I'm probably not going to trade so I wasn't going to trade the last week, and I'm probably not going to trade this week either. So I was like, wait, so if I'm not trading, what the fuck am I going to post? You know what I mean? So yeah, basically I didn't make any content for 1 week since I recorded that last video that I posted. But now, like today, I was really thinking like, bro, if I genuinely want a daily upload, like I have to post whether I'm trading or not. So I'm gonna start posting gym content. So even though I did ask you guys to give like 50 comments or some shit on the last video, for if you guys want to see gym content, I'm just gonna start posting gym content because why not? Fuck it, you know what I mean? Like at this point, there's no excuses, you know what I mean? I genuinely want to lock in with this shit, and I'm like, mark my words, guys, by the end of next year I want to have 100,000 subscribers. So I'm generally gonna fucking lock in. As the time goes on, I'm probably gonna upgrade my camera also, because right now I'm recording on an iPhone 16, which is not a bad camera, but I don't want to keep recording on an iPhone. I want to have like, you know, a nice camera and shit, you know, better angles, and maybe I'll eventually get a cameraman, but I don't know, maybe not this year or the year that's coming, but we'll see, guys. I really want to do this shit, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's just like the little intro for this video. Today is the 23rd of December. So again, I'm probably not going to be trading. I am going to give you guys a little insight on the markets and what I'm seeing, but again, I'm not going to be putting real risk on these type of days. I'm just not going to be engaging, and it's just not optimal for me, and it just doesn't look optimal at all, like for anyone. So yeah, I'll show you guys like some insights on the markets, then I'll probably go hit a nice gym session or some shit. And yeah, so these days I'm just really just hanging out with my friends and enjoying time with my friends and family, because you know, I trade the whole year, you know what I mean? And I go to sleep early, and I try to not do certain things just because I want to, you know, be disciplined and, you know, stay focused while I'm trading and putting real money on the line when I'm actually doing my job and shit. So, but now these last couple of days of the year, I try to just let a little bit go, or not let go, but, you know, just enjoy more of my time with my friends and family. And I suggest you guys do that too. But obviously, if you're, you know, you're not where you want to be in trading, I suggest obviously still enjoy your time with your friends and family, but also try to, you know, take these days where you don't trade or where you shouldn't really be trading, try to like go study. You know what I mean? Go study, refine your strategy, refine your edge. That's also what I'm trying to do right now. These couple of days, instead of trading, if I'm not trading, I'm doing shit with my friends. If not, I'm trying to like backtest a little bit or collect some data. So I'll suggest you guys also do something in that, you know, area, something along the lines of that. So yeah, I'm gonna give you guys some quick insights on what I'm seeing on the charts right now, as you guys can see. But honestly, just I'm not gonna be engaging, so it's not gonna be that in depth. But you know, I'll show you guys. I have my retainer on right now. I'll show you guys something that so yeah, I got the charts in front of me right now, guys, and it's not looking bad for longs. I'm not gonna lie to you. I just do not look bad right now. We have a clear 4-hour for value gap right here. The previous week did close pretty bullish. We had this huge wick lower, but I don't like how we swept this previous week high, you know. If we would have just opened and went lower and then respected this gap right here, I could say, okay, we can target the previous week high, and that would be a really nice target for price to go towards. But The only thing I really don't like is the fact that we swept the previous high and then we went lower. And so even though we did respect that bullish weekly fair value gap, we could still potentially go lower, to maybe at least go to these lows. But again, I don't know 100% for sure. That's just what I'm personally seeing right now. And that's my advice to you guys too. It's an advice to myself and to you guys too, to just maybe work on that also, is just knowing when not to trade, and just don't trade. Like, be so disciplined, like you don't even think about engaging, like you don't have FOMO at all. And yeah, that's one of my goals also for next year, is to really know when not to engage, and just really lower my trading frequency to the minimal, you know what I mean, so I can maximize my profits and minimize my losses. So yeah, the daily also, we have this daily fair value gap, but we also have the bullish fair value gap. So again, it's just a weird area in price. The 4 hour on the other hand does look more on the bullish side. And we remove these real quick. On the 4 hour, we do have this beautiful 4 hour fair value gap and this beautiful 4 hour unicorn. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the unicorn, but it's just basically, if we trade into a higher time frame P array, then we get an internal sweep and then a break of structure, basically just a breaker, and then with a fair value gap, that's a unicorn. So this is a 4 hour unicorn, and that is one of the things that does make me more on a little bit more on the bullish side. So the 4 hour is clearly reacting from the bullish fair value gap. On the hourly, also really nice hourly fair value gap, and then we swept all of these hourly lows. So yeah, it's looking pretty nice for longs right now. Let me see what else. Yeah, we do have this 50-minute fair value gap right here. It's just looking really good for longs. We're below midnight opening price. We could definitely get some delivery at least to these highs, maybe, or maybe this high at least, and maybe London high. So yeah, that's my analysis for right now. I don't know if I'm gonna come back later and see if that analysis actually played out or what, but yeah, I think I'm just gonna come back later and see how this analysis played out. And if it did play out, really nice, really good to see that my analysis played out. But yeah, so I'm just expecting at least delivery maybe to these highs. I think we don't have SMT, right? No, we do not have SMT, but yeah, just based off of that 4 hour unicorn, I want to see delivery up here. And if you don't get delivery to there, then yeah, that's just, yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed like this market review type of thing, you know, while the markets are still moving. So you guys could see my real analysis and stuff in real time. And we'll come back later, maybe after my gym session, to see if this really played out or not. So yeah, I'm back. I don't remember when I last recorded, maybe like 30 minutes ago or something. But yeah, I'm currently in NQ longs, just targeting a 1-to-1. Setup was very nice, very clean. I was waiting to see how the hourly was going to close. Hourly closed really nice with this wick right here, respecting this H1 for value gap, also sweeping, again, like I told you guys, sweeping all of these hourly lows. And we had the 4 hour like this, also a really nice wick on the 4 hour right now. I want to see that flip. And 50-minute fair value gap, I was waiting to see if the 50-minute was going to close above all of these highs. If I saw the 50-minute close above all of these highs, the trade would have been valid for me. And so I was waiting for that. And yeah, so 50-minute closed, and we started getting delivery higher from this 5-minute fair value gap right here, and then the 50-minute closed. So I just entered when the 50-minute closed. And yeah, as you guys can see, this is my entry. Stops are all the way down here. Just targeting a 1-to-1. I'd want to see price go for London highs, but again, I'm just targeting a 1-to-1. I don't want to be too greedy again in these type of conditions where it's pretty late into the year. Again, like I told you guys, the last couple of days of the year, so we might not get as much delivery as I expect us to get, like we usually do. And so I said, okay, instead of trying to be greedy and target like a 2-to-1, which would have been all the way up here, which again, I'm not saying price will not get there, but I just don't want to target that in these type of conditions. I'll just target a 2-to-1, get in and out of the markets like that, and I'll be fine with that. Just 1%, I put 1% risk on. I also lowered my risk instead of 1.5% risk. And yeah, I'll let you guys know how this trade plays out. I'll come back maybe in another 30 minutes and see where the trade is. And yeah. Yes, sir. TP just got hit 1-1, clean, nice delivery to the upside. Literally just hit my 1-1, and it's potentially reversing. I don't know, but hey, I don't care. I'm out of my trade. And yeah, that's that. Again, very nice delivery to the upside today from NQ. Not trying to take too much out of the markets, like I told you guys, just targeting my 1-1. I do want to see London high get taken, but yeah, I'm out of the trade. And yeah, a nice day. I think this will be the first and the only day I will be trading this week. I don't think I will be trading tomorrow. Just again, because it's the last trading days of the year. Markets also close early tomorrow, so that's also not optimal. And then Wednesday, it's Christmas, so there will be no trading that day. And then Thursday and Friday, just I'm pretty sure we're closing early those days too. So yeah, this will be my only trade for the week. And yeah, nice to end the year off with a win. Just got a winning trade. Now we finna go to the gym. Nice gym fit. Young LA represent. You can't really see the back, but the back has a nice design. And yeah, so right now I'm just gonna go to the gym, have a nice sesh. I might record like 1 or 2 sets. Today I'm gonna do chest try. So yeah, I'll just record maybe 1 or 2 sets so you guys can see like how I work out and stuff. And yeah, I think when I come back, I'm just gonna do a slight trade recap, even though you guys basically already saw the trade and know why I took it. I'm just gonna do a slight trade recap to make the video also a little longer. And yeah, that'll wrap up basically how today went. I'm not gonna really do much today. Oh, I am gonna play paddle later, so I can record that, maybe a couple of clips of that too. But yeah, that's basically how my day is. Pretty basic. I don't do much. After recording, I just edit my videos. If I'm posting daily, that's what I'm gonna start doing. I just edit my videos after I'm done recording for the day, and then I upload them the next morning, and then I start recording, or I upload them in unlisted, and then I start recording the video for the next day. So that's basically how my day goes. But yeah.
You cannot find no one better than it. Try to do right by you, but we can't miss. I tried. Taking 3 months old and fucking again. After you said we not fucking again. Never say never, just say what it is. Act like you need some insurance on it. We didn't get here on accident. Don't make me bring out them racks again. Your 2 best friends are some savages. Damn, how many days has it been? Something is different, not genuine. Moving like Snoopy and Charlie Brown. Feel like you trying to dog the kid. You're mine. Too many reasons why I can't picture you with him. That's just so embarrassing. I want to die, to die. I swear that I wanted you back then. Waiting on you like a back end. You bet it's fucking no capping. Statements you claim never happened. Ay, I'm the one that you was wishing for when you was married. That tail wasn't much of a fairy. Christmas it wasn't that merry. You a trophy to me like the Larry. Ay, I'm the one that you was wishing for. Ay, I'm the one that you were wishing for. In Miami in the aisles with me like they just put my ass in Gryffindor. Mouth dry over 20 that I never bother getting no prescription for. Steve saying that you miss me and I won't say it to you, but I miss you more. Said we got each other back and then you put the knife in it like the kitchen drawer. Way I'm feeling on this album really took it easy on you, could've written more. If the shoe was on the other foot and it was
Just finished at the gym, bro. Had a good fucking session. Just try. Mad tired right now. Finna go home, eat up. I've been fasting for like 16 hours at least right now. Finna go home, eat up, and then probably just rest because I got this video to edit and another one. So edit a couple of videos, rest, and then go play some sports later on. and then my day is basically finished.
Love you. You still listening to R. Kelly in the whip, baby girl, and I don't judge you. I'ma end this shit and let the 40B play before I snap. And booby trap throwing more bills than your baby daddy trap.